basically just found the opportunity to get some products from, you said some markets and some opportunity shops. Print on demand is something that I haven't really looked into too much. I know I was mentioning to you, Andrew, that I actually have a merch by Amazon account. So Amazon actually do print on demand, and a lot of people actually don't know that, but they actually have their internal print on demand. And I set up an account probably about 6 or 7 years ago, and it probably took about 7 or 8 months just to get approved for that account because there was really, really limited. And I've been just kind of sitting on that account. And I've kind of never really thought about it until Andrew was mentioning his idea. And I mean, essentially, what you've done, Andrew, is taken something. If you think about it, when you look at kind of a print-on-demand model, now I'm kind of more about private label, but I don't have any beef in looking at anything else, and I kind of appreciate that because what you did was keep it really as simple as possible. You're finding all these kind of great ads from the 50s, the 60s, then you're basically taking out the backgrounds of those ads, cleaning them up, and then creating your own design file, uploading them to a print-on-demand place, and putting them on t-shirts, apparel, and all that jazz. And I think when we think about starting your own business, and we think about how you can actually make money online, sometimes you can keep it really, really simple. And by doing things like that, and of course, and then I showed you the Amazon merch by Amazon, which I think is a great idea. Some people like to compare drop shipping and print on demand, and it is very, I guess it's similar, but it's also very different. What makes print on demand attractive to me is that you still really you can really be as creative as you want with the actual designs that you're doing. So all you're really focusing on is coming up with a really unique, great design, like even maybe that little painting I have there, or the print. And then you're actually just submitting it to these companies, print-on-demand companies, or you're uploading it. And then you can choose to either have it uploaded on a t-shirt, either have it uploaded on a jumper. And what actually happens is the listing is created.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.